morning to EPFO. My name is Rangarajan, coming from K2 Cranes and Components Private Limited. I heard about this NAN 2.0 seminar today. I attended at Sriram Industries at Panjeti. It was very useful to me as a representative from employer side. I got my doubts cleared with respect to contractor mapping and double contribution by contractors. It was a really helpful session. I was able to clarify my doubt, and some other two or more clarifications also are addressed very clearly by the officials. Thanks to UPF Ambudar once again. Thank you.